In this video, we're going to do some composition of functions. Notice here we have an f of x of 2x plus 3 and a g of x of 1/2 times x minus 3. And we're being asked to find the composition of f of g, or f composed with g, and g composed with f. And you're going to notice something a little bit special about these ones. So remember, when it says f composed with g, that means as we're writing our f, oops, that's not the color. Let's try that again. There we go. So we're going to replace our x with our g of x, right, with that function, that formula. So here we're going to have 1/2 times x minus 3, and we put that in our x's spot. Right? We put that right there in our x's spot because we're composing g inside of f, right? So this means g goes inside of f. And we can multiply this through. So I'm going to go ahead and start by multiplying my 2 times my 1/2, and that's going to give me a 1. Right? That's a 1. So now I have 1 times x minus 3 plus 3. And so I really don't need that 1. So I'm really looking at here, x minus 3 plus 3, which is just x. So here we see that f composed with g of x equals x. So now let's try composing it the other way around, where we'll be taking f and putting f into g. So we're going to be composing, so g composed with f. So it works very similarly. We begin to write g, and when we come to the x's spot, we leave a space, because that is where we're going to put our f of x. So in here, we're going to write 2x plus 3. And this time, I'm going to leave my 1/2 out there. And on the inside, now I have a 2x plus 3 minus 3. And those 3's are going to cancel out. So I'm going to have 1/2 times 2x and 1/2 times 2 is just x. So here I have g composed with f of x equals x. Interesting how they both turned out to the identity equation x. Not the identity equation, but the identity function x.